And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to use the blending modes to create basic color blending effects in Photoshop. I've opened this new image of water and I've put another image of the Statue of Liberty on top of it. I've cut out the very exact same Statue of Liberty and now I want to apply the water colors, the water texture on our Statue of Liberty, and I will use the blending mode luminosity for that. And now the background of the water is applied as a texture to our Statue of Liberty very easily. Let me undo this by giving it a normal blending mode, and then I go to these rainbow colors and I want to apply them now to the Statue of Liberty. First I give it a layer mask and then I use the blending mode color. And now this texture is applied only to the layer mask and it looks quite naturally. There are two more important blending modes that we should talk about. Here is a dark texture with some light in it. Let's apply the layer mask and now we change the blending mode to screen. And you can see that only the light parts of our texture are applied to our Statue of Liberty. Here I'll have another texture which is a bit more bright, which has some more light forms, abstract forms in it. If we use screen now it doesn't look so good as we only have the light ones applied. But if we use overlay, only the dark ones are applied to our Statue of Liberty. So you should know luminosity, color, overlay and screen. These are the basic blending modes you will most likely use in many cases, and they can be used, as you can see, to create very easily good looking color effects in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.